Top 5 Best Table Tennis Conversion Top. Number 5. Rally and Roar Indoor Table Tennis Conversion Top. The Rally and Roar Indoor Table Tennis Conversion Top is designed for players who prioritize convenience and quality. This conversion top is crafted with a 15mm medium-density fiberboard surface, offering a consistent bounce and reliable performance. The sleek blue tabletop with white lines provides a professional appearance, and the set includes a net and post system for quick and easy setup. The underside of the conversion top is lined with EVA foam padding, ensuring that your existing table remains scratch-free during gameplay. What sets the Rally and Roar conversion top apart is its easy-fold design, allowing for hassle-free storage when not in use. The two halves of the table fold separately, making it a compact and space-efficient choice for homes with limited room. In conclusion, the Rally and Roar Indoor Table Tennis Conversion Top is a practical and reliable option for players who value simplicity and performance. Whether you're hosting a friendly match or practicing your skills, this conversion top delivers a satisfying table tennis experience. Coming in number 4. Triumph Sports Phoenix 7 Feet Billiard Table. While not a traditional table tennis conversion top, the Triumph Sports Phoenix 7 Feet Billiard Table deserves a spot on this list for its innovative design. This hybrid table combines the excitement of billiards with the fast-paced action of table tennis, offering a unique gaming experience. The Triumph Sports Phoenix Billiard Table features a 7-foot playing surface with traditional green felt for billiards. However, the real highlight is the flip side, which reveals a table tennis surface. The table comes complete with a net, post set, paddles, and balls, allowing you to easily switch between billiards and table tennis. With its sturdy construction and dual functionality, the Triumph Sports Phoenix Billiard Table is a space-saving solution for those who enjoy both billiards and table tennis. The high-quality materials and attention to detail make it a durable and stylish addition to any game room. Coming in number 3. Viper by GLD Products 3-in-1 Portable Table Tennis Top. For those seeking versatility, the Viper by GLD Products 3-in-1 Portable Table Tennis Top offers a unique solution. This conversion top is not limited to table tennis but also serves as a surface for other games like poker and bumper pool, making it an excellent choice for entertainment enthusiasts. The Viper 3-in-1 conversion top features a 1/2-inch MDF playfield that delivers consistent bounce and responsiveness. The green surface with white lines ensures a classic and stylish appearance. The set includes all the necessary accessories for table tennis, including a net, post set, 2 paddles, and balls. When you're ready for a change of pace, simply flip the top to reveal the poker or bumper pool surface. Designed for portability, the Viper 3-in-1 conversion top is easy to set up and store. The compact design makes it suitable for smaller spaces, providing a multifunctional entertainment option for your home. Coming in number 2. EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Conversion Top. The EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Conversion Top is an affordable yet high-quality option for transforming your billiard or dining table into a table tennis playing surface. This conversion top is designed with a 3/4-inch thick playfield, providing a consistent bounce and excellent ball response during games. The sleek blue surface with white painted lines replicates the look of a professional table tennis table, adding a touch of authenticity to your gameplay. The EastPoint conversion top is easy to install, thanks to its foam padding that protects the underlying surface from scratches and dings. The underside also features apron edge padding for added protection. With its durable construction and sturdy design, the EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Conversion Top is suitable for both casual and competitive players. The set includes a net and post system, ensuring that you have everything you need to start playing right away. When not in use, the two separate halves make storage a breeze. Coming in number 1. JOOLA Regulation Table Tennis Conversion Top. The JOOLA Regulation Table Tennis Conversion Top is a top-notch choice for table tennis enthusiasts looking to convert their regular table into a high-quality playing surface. This conversion top is designed to meet the official tournament size specifications set by the International Table Tennis Federation, ensuring an authentic playing experience. Featuring a 5/8" wood composite surface, the JOOLA conversion top provides excellent bounce and responsiveness, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The blue tabletop with silkscreened white striping adds a professional touch to any standard dining or game table. The underside of the conversion top is equipped with foam padding to prevent scratches and damage to the existing table. The JOOLA conversion top comes with a clamp-style net and post set, allowing for easy installation and removal. The two separate table halves make storage convenient and space-saving. Whether you're a casual player or a serious competitor, this conversion top offers a durable and reliable playing surface for enjoyable table tennis matches.